Hello friend, today we shall discuss about topic requirement gathering. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or business analysis and you are already working somewhere in an organization. So friend, requirement gathering is basically a process used to understand what is needed from a project or product. It involved talking to the people who will use or be affected by the project to figure out their needs and expectations. So let's assume that you are building a playground. For example, this is your project actually. So first you have to identify that who are the stakeholders. Stakeholders are everyone who will use or be affected by the playground. For example, children, they will be the primary users. Parents, they want a safe place for their kids to play. Local community, they want the playground to fit well in the neighborhood. City officials, they need to approve the project and ensure it meets regulations, and there would not be any regulatory issue. So how do you gather requirements? First, we have to identify the stakeholders. Make a list of everyone who will use or be affected by the playground. This includes children's parents, local community and city officials. Then understand their needs. Find out which what each group wants from the playground. For example, children, they want fun and engaging equipment like swings, slides, climbing frames. Parents, they need safety features like soft ground materials, fences and benches to sit on. Local community, they want the playground to look nice and not cause too much noise or traffic. City officials, they need the playground to meet safety regulations and be accessible to everyone, including children with disabilities as well. Then we will identify the we will gather the information, like use different methods to collect the requirements from each group. For example, surveys and questionnaires. Distribute these to parents and community members to ask what they want in the playground. Then interviews and meetings means talk directly to children, parents and community leaders to get detailed feedback. Observations means visit existing playgrounds to see what equipment is popular and how children use it. Workshops means organize group sessions where stakeholders can discuss their ideas and needs and easily throw their ideas. Then document the requirement mean write down everything you have learned in a clear and organized way. This might include list of equipment like for example swings, slides, climbing frames, seesaw, etc. Safety features like soft ground materials, fences, shaded areas, first aid stations. Static preferences like colors, themes, landscaping and how it fits with the neighborhood. Then regulations mean accessibility requirements, safety standards and other legal considerations, and legal considerations should be properly documented and understood. Then prioritize the requirements mean determine which requirements are the most important. Some needs might be essential like safety measures, while others might nice to have like a specific colors or themes. So you have to identify which requirements you will fulfill or which requirements you can fulfill later. So confirm with the stakeholders, go back to stakeholders to make sure you have understood their needs correctly. Then review sessions means present your findings and ask for feedback from stakeholders. Adjust as needed, make changes based on their feedback to ensure you are meeting everyone's needs as well. Then example outcome means by gathering requirements thoroughly, you create a playground that children love to play on. Parents feel safe letting their kids use, the local community appreciates, and city officials approve. Steps in a nutshell. That means identify stakeholders means list everyone involved, understand their needs mean find out what each group wants, gather information means use surveys, interviews, observation and workshops, document requirements mean write down the needs clearly, prioritize means decide what's most important, confirm means check back with the stakeholders to make sure you got it right here as well. So friend, there are lots of benefits of requirement gathering. First one is that ensure the final project meets the expectations of those who will use or be affected by it, identifies potential issues early, reducing the risk of problems later, helps in planning the project efficiently, saving time and resources, improve communication and understanding among all parties involved here as well. So in essence, requirements gathering is like doing your homework before starting a big project. It helps make sure you know exactly what's needed so you can create something that everyone will be happy with it. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues.